spots out in Howell, Flint also at that number. But when you look at where we were, when you look at where we were earlier today, 68 was that high temperature. The average 64 this time of year. As we take a look at the clouds and radar, that big batch of wet weather crossing the lake and is starting to move closer to us. We will be seeing that tonight. And again, for the most part, we will be seeing some form of rain on through the day Thursday, but it is going to come in fits and starts. This is a little bit more optimistic than some of the data we were looking at earlier. So let's take you through the rest of tonight. We should see a decent push of wet weather here. This model wants to take most of it across the west and north zone, although I think we'll probably see a little bit more on the east side than what's depicted here. Here's 8 a.m., still some scattered showers around, and that's going to carry us into the lunch hour. Once we go into the afternoon, again, we think there's going to be a dry slot at some point. This model seems to suggest that we're going to be getting some heavier rain there in the afternoon, possibly getting that break in the evening going into midnight. And then beyond midnight, everything's going to be a lot lighter as that low sort of slides through the area. And the showers should be wrapping up as we head into Thursday evening. And that will be all she wrote. So as we start seeing this stuff stack up, you'll see as we get into tomorrow morning, rainfall amounts will quickly get to an inch, at least to the west of us, and just start to move into parts of Livingston County there with those blue shades. That's the 1 inch total. So earlier we were thinking it was probably going to be an inch, inch and a half, and it may be a little bit less than that, but still could be topping 1 inch in parts of the west and north zone. Lows tonight, mid-50s, so pretty much where we're at right now. Just don't expect to climb all that far tomorrow. We're going to 60 for the high temperature. We'll be seeing that rain heavy at times, and we will get breaks. There's going to be thunder out there, but we're really not looking for anything strong or severe. Just be aware you'll hear some claps as we finish out the day. 60 degrees on Friday, and then ramping back up for the weekend, 69 as we go into Sunday afternoon. So we do have some warm days ahead, but we've